Hi, we're here with Bob Ploessl again of the Bellevue Utilities Department. We're going to take a quick tour of the Bellevue Power and Light Plant. So Bellevue has its own self-contained power, and this is really the heartbeat of all utilities in Bellevue. Well, Bob, what do we have behind us here?
Behind us here we have probably about a 1950 vintage Worthington engine. It's about 700 kilowatt generator. We have the newer ones are ahead of us, but this is our first generator to come in the plant here. Still a good running generator.
And how many total generators do we have that we're going to see here today?
We have six.
Six.
And we have a capability of generating the total plant about 8,000 kilowatts. In the town, on a very hot day, we use roughly around 5,000 kilowatts. So we have plenty of capacity for future growth.
So you've got capacity for almost 100% growth.
Yeah.
In demand.
We're doing well. Yeah, we're set pretty well.
Great. Well, let's take us through the rest of the plant, if you don't mind.
Okay.
You also manage the cable system from here.
Yep, we take care of the cable system, which has our cable and our internet. Over here is our switchboard, which basically takes care of different points, different feeders and breakers throughout the distribution system, the power distribution system. So we have to fire up the generators. These are the control panels, one panel per generator. So.
And which handle does Homer Simpson pull?
All these right here, basically. Yeah.
Great. And what about
this is a Caterpillar. This is a newer one. This was installed in '93. It's a high-speed generator. We can have this up and online probably within 5 minutes. It's got a lot more digital controlling, solid state. It's really easy to run, and it's up and going with, like I say, within probably 5 minutes.
So some people could have power within 5 or 10 minutes of an outage, and the whole town could be up and going within a half an hour.
Yes. Worst case scenario, because you have to bring on a little bit of the town at a time, you know. So worst case scenario, the last customer would probably be within a half an hour's time.
And you have control over what zones or
Yeah, we always try to, of course, try to get our emergency equipment facilities going, nursing home, and then our downtown district. Residential, of course, is usually probably our last one we do, but we always try to get our businesses up and going as quick as we can.
Well, that makes sense.
So, and then now this way we have another generator. This one here capable of about 600 kilowatts. And they're all functional. We do an engine test every year. Our power provider requires that we do an engine test to verify that they're all up and running.
And that one, I see that one's turbocharged, so how fast does that go, 0 to 60?
The older generators run at 360 RPMs. The new ones are at 1800, so they're quite a bit louder. And then we go back here. This is our newest generator. It's also a Caterpillar. That engine alone is worth can generate 1,800 kilowatts. And this is our biggest one. This is a Cooper Bessemer. It was installed in the 70s. It generates 3,000 kilowatts. So most of the time we run this big one in one of our other Caterpillars. But we have a lot of capability or capacity. So.
That's very interesting, and it's very cool to kind of get a behind-the-scenes look at what keeps Bellevue running. So.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bob. This has been very interesting, and we really appreciate what you do here.
No problem. Thank you.